Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you what to do when the Costco application won't update. So first of all, you need to simply open your Google Play Store or App Store. Over here in the search bar, simply search for Costco. Now, when you tap on the option of the Costco application, you need to just simply look for any of the updates, whether these are available or not. So if you see any update, you need to tap on the update button and then you need to install the update. Now, if the update is stuck on waiting, pending or downloading, you need to just simply check your phone's available storage and make sure that you have a stable internet connection. On Android device, you can just simply open Google Play Store's settings and then you can also clear the cache before trying again. If you are using iPhone, you can open the settings, go to general, then look for the option of iPhone storage. Inside it, simply select Costco and check that you have enough free space. You can also restart your iPhone and then you can retry the update. So you can try these easy method in order to basically fix this particular issue. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.